Hey everybody. So this project is putting a new drain valve in the bottom of this air compressor. This air compressor is a Craftsman oilless air compressor, and like most air compressors, it has a drain valve in the bottom of it. But see if you can hear this. Hear that water sloshing around in there? So this thing has been stored in an unheated U-store for about a year and a half. And I went to move it the other day and saw the, heard that sloshing. And so I went to drain it, which you're supposed to just open that drain valve and that'll let the water out. When I opened that drain valve, nothing came out, not even any air pressure. So I'm assuming there's a bunch of rusty water and crud blocking that. So I'm just gonna put a new drain valve in there. And what I'm gonna do with that is put this ball valve in, and then that should allow me to just, like I said, open the thing up with the air pressure in it to shoot the water out the bottom and end up getting the water out of the tank. So we'll see how it goes. Okay, so there is no air pressure on this tank. Like I said, I believe this valve is already just crap, fully clogged up. I'll see if I can take this out. Okay, it's gonna come out pretty easy. That's always nice. I have a very stable camera mount, but there's the valve that was supposed to work, but like I said, nothing came out. So let's see what happens. Lay it down. And nothing's coming out. So you can still hear all that water in there. So let me get something. Let's see if I can run through there and make this open up. So I've got a small ice pick looking thing. Oh yeah. There is a lot of crap in there. There, it finally came out. That's just pretty gross. So we'll see what comes out now. Oh yeah, there's some high quality water for you. Nasty. Get a couple rags and dry that up. But I just want it all to drain. So you can imagine that getting in your air lines and then running through your expensive tools, if you've got any expensive tools. I have a plasma cutter that I've got a filter on the front of, like I said, because you definitely don't want that kind of crap going into your plasma cutter. Okay, that's going to drain for a minute. Okay, cut off the flood. That thing had about at least a quart of water in it. And it's still coming out. If that keeps up, I'm gonna say it's more like a gallon of water. Okay, let's blow that water out a little bit. See what happens. Alrighty then, I think we got all the water out of it we're going to get. That is some serious rusty water. I'll dry that up real fast. Just make less of a mess. And no, these aren't the good towels. Nice thing about when you live with dogs, you always have to keep some crappy towels around for them. And that works good for rusty, possibly oily water too. Looks like brown stain. Okay, so to put this in, take this out first. And so we've got a 1/4 inch ball valve with a 1/4 inch male thread here and a 1/4 inch female thread. So if I wanted to, I'd elbow that out and bring it out for a drain. But what I'm going to do is just screw it in like this because I think it will clear, right, let's see. I think it'll clear the legs on it once I screw it in. So let's do that. The other thing is I'm going to use Teflon tape. Now then, this Teflon tape, we're going to screw this in to the right. And so what you want to do is go around to the left when you put this tape on, so that as you thread this in, it doesn't just come off the threads. Okay, so you're going to wrap it opposite of the way you're going to thread it in, so that as you tighten it, it doesn't just unwrap your tape. Like that, maybe. So you can see it, hopefully. Okay, see how that, as I wind that on, it doesn't unwrap the tape. Now we'll just crank it on here with this adjustable. Okay, and I'd like to have that valve on the front. So now, you turn it, it'll open, let the water flow out, otherwise it'll be shut. Let's see how it works. Okay, so it's plugged in. We'll flip it on. Okay, so that's up to 40 psi inside the tank. Okay, we gotta pick it up just there. And we'll open the valve now. Okay, so that will let the valve drain. Okay, so there's the Craftsman air compressor. New drain valve, air valve put in to drain the water out of the tank. Hey everybody, thanks for watching. Just a quick little video of doing a little bit of repair around the house. So thanks for watching. Hope you have a great day. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. Have a good one, y'all. We'll see you.